Good afternoon. I'm Adam Schrader, and today I'll be discussing the success of the Sturm Ruger Company, commonly known as Ruger. As a lifelong hunting and shooting enthusiast, I've had the opportunity to handle a variety of firearms by a variety of manufacturers. Overwhelmingly, the Ruger products have proved to be the most dependable and the highest quality. Today, we'll briefly review the company history, background, and profile. Then we'll take a look at their market segment, and finally a look at future plans. Hopefully, this information will be valuable when you decide to purchase your next firearm. William Ruger and Alexander Sturm opened the company for business in 1949 with a $50,000 investment by Sturm. Their only product was a Mark I pistol, an auto-loading .22 caliber handgun based on the look of the German 9mm Luger and the American Colt Woodsman. Excuse me. Their intent was to build each product to a standard that they would want one even if it was made by a competitor. This approach to manufacturing would ensure success and continue to drive the company's quality policy through the next 64 years as the company grew from 2 employees to their current 1,500 and their current sales over $500 million annually. The company has 2 manufacturing facilities. In its Newport, New Hampshire plant, the company produces 1 model of pistol along with 11 models of rifle and 10 models of revolver. Excuse me. All of these base models come in a variety of configurations. In the Prescott, Arizona facility, Ruger manufactures its other 12 models of pistol, which also come in a variety of configurations and calibers. In addition to its firearm business, Ruger operates Pine Tree Castings, an investment casting company. As well as their own requirements, Pine Tree manufactures castings for a number of customers in a variety of industries, including architectural hardware, marine hardware, sporting goods, hand and power tools, food service, medical industries, and even approximately 20 other firearms and firearms component manufacturers. The company motto, "Arms Makers for Responsible Citizens," has driven Ruger to maintain high quality through the years while continuing to produce firearms in the lower, more affordable price range. In fact, in the early days, their low price actually hurt sales, as consumers believed a quality handgun could not be made at such a low price. Fortunately for the company, the majority of consumers have been able to see past this myth. Let's take a look at their current market segments, the commercial sporting market and law enforcement and military. Then we'll look at future market expansion. Ruger has become one of the nation's leading manufacturers of high quality firearms for the commercial sporting market. Their 33 base models of firearms available in most every caliber encompass most phases of the sport, from the bolt action big game calibers down to plinking with a .22. Your choices are numerous. Ruger continues to maintain a strong presence in all things shooting. From hunting magazines to shooting events, Ruger's advertisements and sponsorships are always present. A supporter of the NRA, Ruger benefits the many events sponsored by them. For instance, in 2012, Ruger donated $1.25 million to the NRA, supporting youth sport shooting events, various marksmanship competitions, and even NASCAR. In 2011, Ruger became the first American firearms manufacturer to build 1 million firearms in a year. They achieved this in late November. In 2012, they did it again, but this time they did it by mid-August. These milestones can be directly attributed to Ruger's product quality and popularity. Excuse me. In 2010, the Ruger SR9C was named by the Shooting Industry Academy of Excellence Handgun of the Year. Ruger also won this award the previous 2 years with the LCR, Lightweight Compact Revolver, and the LCP, Lightweight Compact Pistol. These awards join the many others that line the cabinet at Ruger. In 2010, Ruger was named one of Forbes' America's 100 Best Small Companies. In 2012, for the 5th year in a row, Ruger was named Firearms Manufacturer of the Year by the National Association of Sporting Goods Manufacturers. In 2004, Ruger won an Army contract to build 5,000 KP95D 9mm pistols. This model, 10 years old at the time, had established its strength, reliability, and value, earning the nod from the Army. In 2008, the Federal Bureau of Prisons awarded Ruger with a 5-year contract to build 1,750 P95 9mm, with potential for 3,000 additional, again acknowledging the value of the P95. For law enforcement, Ruger conducts regular training sessions, meeting as often as 3 times a month. These sessions not only cover firearm safety, but also train marksmanship, close quarters defense, and combat-style weapon readiness. In addition to the training, Ruger offers standard discounts to law enforcement on products specifically designed for law enforcement. In the future, in addition to firearms, Ruger's direction is to expand into a crossbow product line. In 2012, Ruger acquired a minority stake of Cotobow, an established crossbow manufacturer. This acquisition bridges the gap between traditional archery and firearms for the Ruger-friendly consumer, while becoming Ruger's first entry into non-conventional arms manufacture. In summary, Alexander Sturm and William Ruger started a firearms manufacturing company back in 1949, which has gone on to become one of the top firearm manufacturers in the U.S. From that one .22 caliber auto-loading handgun, Ruger has expanded to produce 33 base models of firearms from 2 facilities in a wide variety of configurations and calibers. Ruger continues to see growth in the commercial sporting market and has supplied both law enforcement and the military with high-quality firearms. With its entry in the crossbow segment, Ruger is set to expand into another area where its reputation for high quality and low prices will no doubt make an impact. Thank you. Questions?